Hi everyone, this is Rami. Welcome to a new video on Rami Auto. In today's video, I'm going to replace the wiper blades. It's been over a year and my Tesla Model 3 wiper blades started to worn out. So I'm going to install this Aero Twin from Bosch. This is the code for the Tesla Model 3. And yeah, as you can see there, as indicated on the back package. So let's open this up and see how it compares to the original ones. I've been always using Bosch wiper blades on all my previous cars. They're fantastic. They last very long time and they perform very well as well. So let's remove the wiper blades from the Tesla and check these out. So in order to remove the wiper blades from the car, you need first to go to the car menu, select service, and then click wiper service mode. When you press this, the wipers will go up in this position. This is the service mode, so in order to be able to remove them without scratching your bonnet. Now it's very important to have a towel ready, so when you remove the blade, you don't rest the metal bars against the glass and scratch it. Basically, see this button, you press it and just remove. So while we have the wiper blade removed, made a very nice discovery. The bottom one is original one from the car, and the upper one, this is the one I bought from Bosch. And if you look closely, it's actually the original one is also made by Bosch, and it's like 40% cheaper to buy it and from a place like Amazon. I bought these from Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. So the twin set was for 30-ish euro, 36 euro, if I remember correctly. However, the original one, if you want to buy it from Tesla, each blade is 29 euro. So both will run you 58 euro. And it's basically the same exact thing. The only difference is the Bosch one, the aftermarket one, has the Bosch name on the tip, but the original Tesla one doesn't have the Bosch engraving. So both are identical, same length, everything. Just save yourself some money. So let's put the new ones on the car. And grab the other one, same direction, put it, click, job done. Now after replacing the blades, all you have to do is to press wiper service mode to cancel it. Now let me close the door and close the window and give it a test. Perfect, works like new. So folks, that was it on how to change your rubber blades on Tesla. Same process goes for basically all the models. I'll leave a link in the description for the blades that I bought. It's exactly the same one as the original one. Both are from Bosch. So the wiper blades came with the car. As you could see, it has the Bosch logo. It just doesn't have the engraving on the tip of the blade, but who cares? And you basically save yourself like 40% of the cost, especially if you are in a country with rainy weather constantly. The wiper blades are being used very frequently. I can say that I use them on a daily basis. But yeah, for now, that's all. Thanks for watching.